Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about freeze panes in Excel. Let's take an example of an Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet containing different columns and rows. When we scroll down the sheet, we can't see the heading of the rows. There is an option in Excel by which we can see top row in whole sheet. Select Freeze Panes from View tab. There are 3 options in Freeze Panes. We will check them one by one. Click on Freeze Top Row to freeze top row of the Excel sheet. Now scroll down the sheet and see the result. Top row of the sheet is visible while scrolling down the sheet. When we scroll right side of the sheet, whole sheet is scrolling. In some cases, we want first column of the row visible when scrolling right. Click on Freeze First Column to freeze first column of the sheet. Now the first column naming date is visible while scroll right of the sheet. Click on Unfreeze Panes to unfreeze all the rows and columns. We can also freeze top row and first column of sheet. Select the next cell of the column and row to freeze above column and row. Click on Freeze Panes and see the result. First row and column have been freeze and we can see them. In this way, we can freeze column and row in Excel. Import all your data from Excel to Tally ERP 9 in one click by excel4tally.com. Search excel4tally.com in web. Sign up for free to import your data from Excel to Tally. Call us or mail us for any query. Subscribe to our channel. Watch our other videos for help on Excel and Tally. Subscribe to our channel and get latest updates on Excel and Tally. Thank you for watching video.